Hello Ron, it's Zurab here at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Can-Am Spyder F3T. It's all black, very nice looking motorcycle. It's a semi-automatic, so there's no clutch, the only buttons plus and minus. It has a audio system, has a Bluetooth thing, has a USB connector and an auxiliary connector. This one has a reverse and a cruise control. Those bags are lockable, hard bags, and it comes with this passenger back rack. So the bike is available, it is fully certified. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. As you see, the tires are even like brand new.